rail track wagons there. A lot of network rail men. Whoa, look at this. Loads of locos, including a 90 as well, I think. 66s. Yeah. Freightliner hopper. Got loads of interesting stuff there. Loads of different wagons. Voyagers behind us. Rail track. Lots of different stuff there. Some more here. Look, there's some cranes loading the wagons as well just behind them. Whoa! 86.
That you have all of your personal belongings with you at all times. Thank you for travelling with London Midland.
Got some EWS.
Ladies and gentlemen, any passengers travelling to CREWE, freedom is actually a 13-week service to Norfolk Haven.
Got a few Virgin Mark IIs here, and an interesting thing here. These are old mail wagons.
This train is now showing platform 11, but unfortunately it's got a further delay. It's now expected at 13:26. Passengers for the 1311 service to Manchester Piccadilly, Southern Archer.
East Midlands trains. 153. And ARRIVA trains Wales 57.
Livery Thunderbirds, is that?
Yeah, because you can tell because of the captain. So. ARRIVA trains Wales. We've seen a few ARRIVA trains Wales. We've seen a DVT 82. Then we saw a 158 at Birmingham. And now we're at CREWE with a re-livery Thunderbird. So.
The best spots for taking pictures is over there. There's a really long platform down the back. Get all the views of everything.
Yeah, I think it's the East Midlands 153. Yep. One 153 383. There she goes.
Can take some pictures over the other side.
Northern Rail. Here it comes, 175 115. Sounding pretty cool. Now we've got a 156, I think it is, and a Voyager over there.
Platform 5 for the 13:01 Birmingham, platform 5 for Birmingham, calling Wolverhampton OK.
153. Three, 2, 7. Here comes the Voyager. Try and get the number. 221105. Comes the 153. The Voyager. 221102. One 75007. Two coaches. PENDOS departing. And the food coming in on the right. B9042. Yeah, the 350's coming in on the right now. That's the name. Oh, and then this 350 is off. Over here. Just behind the Pendo. Look. Pendo's there. Look at this. Just behind the Pendolino. B5102. Or 5101. Yeah, Birmingham. Whoa! Looks like it's coupling up to the 57. That's interesting. Here comes the Pendolino. The Alston. No, but wow! Well, it's got some coaches. It's got two coaches, I think. Blimey. That's cool. Look at this. Look at this. Virgin Trains, Class 47. It's only 3 coaches. 7 something. Not a very long train. Only 3 coaches. There it goes. There you go, it's stopped. Virgin train 47 is reversing and pushing all 3 of the coaches. Pretty interesting flight.
It's come down Basford Hall. Come down Basford Hall and it can't get it over somehow. Oh, it's gone down the foot. Yeah. Yeah.
I think it's 789, that's what I'm guessing. So we've got a Voyager that's trying to block the beauty. 221-103. Now the 47's off again. Again. Yeah, 3 train just coming down now somewhere. Blue light down there. On the right. So it's getting pretty busy now. That has the name Resolve.
Yeah, it's one of the old restaurants that you said, doesn't it? Not a thing with
Virgin. Interesting. Northern Rail 323 there. 350, then 57, then another 350, then I think it's a freight train just down there. Good. See it there? 350, 126. Liverpool 9 Street service. Over here. One reason, well, 2 reasons actually. It's an A4. Look at this. 66 now. $435. We'll go $425. An intermodal. Is the freight going to stop? Yes, I think it is. There we go. Freight train moving. Box of dreams. Oh, 9045. Wow. And 046, 045 and 046.